Hello, this is Harry J from Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can assemble your Maxell power fan that I bought a few days ago from Amazon. Okay, if you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna go to assemble process directly. Okay, I have everything ready here. This is the stand, the plastic. Okay, here I have some screw. So I'm gonna use all of them in this process. I'm gonna open this to let's see what we have in this. We have two cover, this one for cover down, and what we have more. We have some screws, nuts and bolts, as you can see. So I'm gonna use all this. Okay, one most important thing here. See these two rods, if it's come out, should go from bottom. You see this part, you have something flat to out. Okay, as this, it should be stuck here. If you not put properly, you'll have problems. So follow this instruction. It should be as this. You see stuck here. You can connect this one here at the middle and tight this one level as you want, your desired level. Okay, tight this one so it will be stuck at that particular point, so it's not moving anymore. You see, now we have to tight all the screw, and here we have manual, so you can see it, very cheap paper although. So as you can see, this should go here inside. Okay, perfect. After that, to put this as this. Okay, you can see I put all the 4 screw. I tight, put nut this part and tight with the Phillips screwdriver properly. Give them a good tight. This you have to cover before you forget, as this. Okay, now you see my stand is ready. So I'm gonna assemble my fan on the top. Okay, here I have the motor. You see, this is the top point. When I put this motor on top, and this side, as you can see, I have one screw. Okay, if it's going down, you have to tighten this up properly, should not move. Okay, here we go. Now this screw I have to tighten the help of a Phillips screwdriver. This will hold your fan. Okay, this is the, you see, this is regulator. Look very old style although. Okay, this regulator, you have some hole in here, one, and this side you have a big hole. Think somehow this big hole, let me see, should be in this. I thought it should be a little bit more advanced because we are in 2019, but Amazon is selling this type of old style fan. Okay, so you see, should be as this, and the back side I can show you. Here you go. You have to put the screw to tie this one. Okay, so finally should look as this. This is the cord, this is the regulator. You have 3 speed up and down, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna assemble at the top to put the back side. Here I have 4 screws already there to take them out before I can assemble the net on this. Okay, I'm gonna put these 4 screws back. Be careful, here you see you have one handle, it should be up, so should be as this. Let me tighten them. Okay, as you can see, everything is ready from bottom to top. I'm gonna assemble now the blades. Here is the blades, and here you have one screw. Okay, this is gonna hold the blades, the metal. You see, it will go as this, and you have to tight the blade. You see here at some point the screw should be here holding the blade. I'm gonna check it's coming out or not. Moving, because this is very sharp, it can cut and kill you. It's not a plastic, it's a real blade. Okay, now only one thing is left to do: cover it up. We go. Maxell lovely looking industrial fan. As you see here, you have some notch. Okay, the top part you see as this part, when you see, should be at top, and the logo should be straight. Okay, I think I'm good. I put all of them properly. I connect all of them fine. So my fan is ready. Only one thing is left to do now: put the fan. I will show you after putting, and I will show you to control a bit too. So you can see the fan quite lovely. Must be having so much noise. Okay. So this is assembly of Maxell power fan from Amazon. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Take care till then, bye bye.